We're over here in South Lyon, Michigan, the beautiful gated community of Hidden Lakes, getting ready to install another Pure Energy roof. Let's go check it out.
We got a flyer on the roofs. We really didn't want to do a roof this year, but we figured we'd check to see what the pricing would be, and before you know it, we have a roof.
They said 2 days, and I think they finished in a day and a half.
I think from what the roofers told us, we might have had problems this winter. So it was a good time to get it done.
The service was nice. The people were very polite, cleaned up after themselves beautifully. We would have never known they were even here.
So if you live in Hidden Lakes and you're in need of a new roof, windows, attic insulation, or even an entry door, give us a call today.